Hi and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to see how easy it is to take a simple white Ikea shelf and turn it into a real beauty. So basically a colleague asked me if I could build him a board that he could put on his Ikea shelf. And I talked him into Walnut because if you're going to upgrade, then you better choose a really good looking walnut, right? So after cutting the boards, milling them with my self-made flattening sled and resolving the boards to a book match look, I glued up the boards and I think the grain looks impressive in this board. Some quick planing and sanding to have it flat again after gluing, and I'm really taking my time here to really have a perfect, nice flat board. Now because walnut is expensive and we want a thicker look of the face front, I decided to cut a 45-degree bevel and glue it to the front face of the board. And because I had a pretty rough edge after sawing the bevel, I had to smoothen out the sides with a sharp hand plane to have a really nice glue up without any gaps. I'm using simple blue tape, CA glue and some offcuts to get it nicely clamped. Then I cutted the boards to the final length, making sure to cut the long side first, because you want to get rid of the potential tear-outs. The final touches is gonna be hand sanding and using some boiled linseed oil, and this is going to make the walnut pop, and I think this looks amazing. After 2 coats, I secretly added my logo on the back and let it dry for the rest of the day. Well, I think this look is much better than before. Let me know in the comments if you like it or if you hate it, and if you consider doing it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.